Welcome to Taste of Change. The program is supported by Supermarkets Bazaar. Today we'll make something nice and cozy for fall. There are many recipes of stuffed peppers and you can find several on my website. Today we'll make it a little bit different, which can be very good appetizer, light dinner or lunch. And it is pretty quick, so if your friends come over, you can make it very quickly. So we'll use these nice peppers, which I took this morning from Bazaar West, and we'll make two kinds, with meat, prosciutto, and vegetarian with mushrooms. Okay. First thing we need to do, we'll cook tomatoes. So we'll make a sauce, and then we'll fill with this sauce peppers. So meanwhile, we'll do all this. You see, winter and fall for now, it's always time when we eat more, because we need more energy. And we want something warm when we come back and during the lunch. It is not like having a salad, what we can do in summer. But we don't want to cook heavy meals, big heavy meals which can hurt our health. So things like this, they are solutions. A solution. Think like this. So dish like this is a solution. It is light and nutritional and healthy and satisfy your appetite and your craving for good food. So we'll cook tomatoes a little bit. We don't want to overcook them, but a little bit, because peppers are not going to the oven for too long. Meanwhile, we'll prepare actual peppers. So this is the way to cut them, to prepare this meal. These peppers are sweet, and they're very thin. They're not like sweet, big sweet peppers which are thick. I leave it just for fancy, to be fancy. They almost don't have seeds, so you are not working hard to take it out. And I found them in two colors, like this orange and red, which is beautiful. So the meal is going to be beautiful and fancy. If you cook them, if you want, you can actually serve them in the dish. So then you're getting a Pyrex dish and serve them right away. I chose this one this time. Tomatoes are almost ready. We'll add some garlic. It never hurts to make it spicy a little bit. And some parsley. So this will be the filling, the first layer on the peppers. Yeah, this will be enough. You'll be surprised how quickly we'll make them. Let it stand here. Salt and pepper definitely. Tomatoes love pepper. Very good combination. We'll let it cool a little bit. So, what we do need? Cheese. I use mozzarella cheese. The best, light, soft, and nice. Please do not buy grated cheese. Take a minute and do it by yourself. Because when it is ready to use, it contains heavy starches and many other ingredients which are absolutely not appropriate in our case. So it doesn't take too long just to do this by yourself. Now you know that you took this cheese and you made it without any unhealthy additions. Oh, it smells so good, the garlic, tomatoes and parsley. Absolutely amazing. These peppers are, as you can see, they're flat, they're thin and flat, so you cannot stuff them as much as sweet peppers. That's why we cook just a little bit of stuffing. What else here? Well, it looks beautiful already. The cheese is ready. Now we'll sprinkle it with cheese. Well, this is a little bit tricky because they're thin and you need to place this cheese inside. But it's okay. You can ask your kids. They have tiny fingers, so it is easy for them to make such things. Let's make them vegetarian and with meat, right? This is what we mentioned. So, what? Let's make red ones with meat and orange with mushroom. So I think it's a good way to cut prosciutto is short and thin strips. This way they'll fit well. I like prosciutto and always recommend it because it is actually very lean. It doesn't have extra fat and it is not too salty. It's really good meat. Oh, what we decided, red is with prosciutto, right? Red color. Okay, we are done with prosciutto strips. Mushrooms. I cleaned them and I took out stems just for fancier look. And you definitely need what? How many? Maybe a couple. You can definitely use what? just greens. Mushrooms is a really nutritional treasure. It is pure protein, which is plant-existed protein. They satisfy your appetite very good, very well. When you eat them, you are not gaining weight, and they're yummy. Okay. Well, it's probably a good idea to sprinkle them with some greens, right? It will be nice. Especially mushrooms, because they look a little bit boring. There we go. Now it's nice. Okay, this meal is going to the oven, preheated to 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. After just 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit less, peppers are ready. Isn't it a great, colorful appetizer or light dinner? Amazing! Very cozy, very even fall colors are here. Very, very nice. I advise you to make it and enjoy. You were watching Taste of Change with Dr. Irina Kols. You can find more recipes on website weightdestiny.com and more videos on ActonTV.org. Enjoy your bottom.